Managing your 11 plus preparation time effectively. Let me share something that's going to transform your 11 plus journey. Get tactical with your time management. I know that balancing family life with exam prep feels overwhelming, but here's your permission slip to breathe. Your calendar is about to become your best friend. Map out 30 to 45 minute study sessions 4 to 5 times a week, non-negotiable times. But here's the key, make them sacred but flexible. Netball runs late? No stress. Shift that block, but don't skip it. And always protect playtime and family time. These aren't extras, they're essential for success. And here's another preparation hack. Turn everyday family moments into gentle learning opportunities. Think dinner table word games, playful maths challenges during car rides or trips to the shops, and get siblings involved in quiz games. Involve the whole family and make it fun. Think of it this way, you're not sacrificing family time for exam prep, you're weaving them together in a way that feels natural and nurturing. Your child's journey starts right now, and trust me, you've got this. From exam stress to success, visit exampapersplus.co.uk today to see our full range of 11 plus resources. We've got you covered.